the lawyers can discuss the merits later on. But basically, one is to declare Jose Pepito na Jojo and not Peter ang pangalan na isang nuisance candidate, and the other one is asking COMELEC not to give the due course or to cancel his certificate of candidacy because he made misrepresentations dito, no? For example, hindi naman Peter ang kanyang nickname but Jojo, and we have not only footages, no, ng mga pumunta doon na kilala siya from birth na talagang Jojo, but we also have affidavits, no? And also we got a certification from the PRC na hindi siya marine engineer, no? So at alam naman natin na certificate of candidacy is declared under oath. So halatang halata na talagang this is only made, no, para pag may bumoto ng Cayetano lang or Peter Cayetano ay hindi mabilang, no? So again, I challenge the administration. Sabi nila gusto nila fair at walang dirty tricks. Eh bakit nangyayari yung mga ganito? This won't pop out of anywhere lang, no? And why haven't we heard a single word from them asking COMELEC also to disqualify not only in my case, no, but also in the case of Noynoy Aquino na ma-clarify kung kanino mapupunta yung boto ng Aquino, no? So the Arroyo administration has continually, no, shown its disregard for the right of people that their votes be counted. So yung Dayan noong 2004, walang nangyari sa mga investigasyon, sa Garcia issue, sa mga election officers na involved in those places, walang nangyari sa investigasyon sa Garcia Generals, at ngayon nakikita natin yung umpisa ng mga dirty tricks. So we're here to fight that, and we're here just to ask for a fair fight.